A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So, we have already started our chapter 1, that is our skeletal system. So, in this chapter, we have learned about different component of the skeleton system. Today we have to start with joints, means now we will learn about different joints in our skeletal system. If we are talking about the joints, that means if we have to move anything, okay, any part of our body, that means we just feel there is a joint between two bones, because whenever we have to if I say we have to move our back, okay, or move our neck, sorry, if we have to move our neck, we have to see left, we have to see right side, back side, so if I am moving, or we are moving our neck left to right, that means we can feel that there is a joint between our neck and the, or we will call our vertebral column. So with the help of this we can easily move our neck. Either if we will talk about, we have to fold our head, so we can easily feel there is a joint between our in between elbow. So from the elbow point we can easily fold our hands. That means there is a joint between our bones. So with the help of these joints, then only we are able to move our some body parts, just because of these joint. And joint, if we will talk about what is joint, so we can say a joint is a place where two or more bones are connected. Okay, so in our skeletal system, where two or more bones are connected, this point or that point is known as a joint. And just because of a joint, we are able to move our some body part. Now if we will talk about the joint structure, so we all know that uh, our bones are connected with the muscles. First thing, our bones are connected with the muscles, because with the help of the muscles, then only our bones are able to move, because bones are not able to move their own. With the help of muscles, bones are able to move. Now there is a tough fibrous tissue which connects one bone to another to give the strength, or to give the strength of the bone. So there is a tough fibrous tissue, wait, which is called as a ligament. Okay, which is called as a ligament. You can see on the screens, this is a we can see this is a tough tissues which is connected, which connects one bones to another to just give the strength of to that joint or to these bones. So this tissue, fibrous tissue, is known as a ligament. Now joints not only hold bones together, help them to move, means with the help of joints, not only joints connected two or more bones, but they are allowed to move their bones. Okay, the joints allow the bones to move with the help of the muscles. Now if we will talk about, there is a special fluid at the joints act as a lubricants. Okay, so which is called as a tendon. Okay, it is called as a tendon. Tendon is a special fluid which is also act as a lubricant for the joints, so it reduces the friction and enables bones to move smoothly. Means if there will be the frictions, then it will be difficult, bones may be harmed. So there is a lubricant which helps the bones, or which reduce the frictions, and also this fluid or lubricant makes bones more smooth. Okay, so that's why if we will talk about all the joints except the ones in the skull and teeth and their sockets can move. Okay, maximum joints of our body can move on their own, and that's why we have differentiate our bones, our joints between two category, movable and immovable. Okay, and we have differentiates in two category, movable and immovable, just because of there are some joints which are fixed in our body, but there are many joints which can move. So that's why we have categorized joints into two category, movable and immovable. Now if we will talk the movable joints in our body, so further they have classified into four categories. So today we will learn the first category, that is hinge joint. So hinge joint, if we will talking about the hinge joint, so hinge we all know that we can see this hinge whenever wherever we see a door at our home, we can easily see this hinge which fixed between the door, and this allow the door to open in a direction. Okay, where we all know that whenever we have to open a door, so mostly we have the door in our home which open only in one direction, so in between the doors we can see this hinges fixed. So that's why also we have to classify, we have to learn hinge joint of our body, just keeping the method of the hinge of a door in our mind. So there are certain joints in our body that allows movement of bones in one direction. Okay, there are so many joints of our body which allow the bones to move only in one direction, so that is why these are also called as a hinge joint. So we can move them only in one direction and strengthen them back to their original position. Means uh, uh, with the help of hinge joint, we can move that specific part of our body in one direction and also keep back them to their original position. So this is the hinge joint. Hinge joint allow our bones to move in a one direction like a hinge of a door. If we will talk about the example of a hinge joint in our body, so fingers of our body, if you move your fingers, so if we will see to fold our if we will try to fold our fingers or move our fingers, then we found we can only fold our fingers in one direction, same as the elbow. Same as the elbow, we can only move our elbow in a one direction, we cannot move our elbow in a two direction, we can only fold our elbow in a one direction. Same our knee, you know where is a knee at our in our leg, we can also move this knee only in one direction. And plus toes joints of one leg, if we will talk if we will see the toes of our legs, then we find we can also move these toes only in single direction. That means if we will talk about the example of hinge joint in our skeleton system, that is finger joints, elbow joint, knee joint and toe joint, these all are the hinge joint of our body. Okay, I now I think all you get the basic concept of joints and hinge joint. We will learn more about three remaining joints. So if you have still any doubt, then please ask me during live class. Till thank you.